Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you already know who I am. You already know what you're here for, because it says it's in the title as well. So, but yeah, still a little bit of energy in that one. Today, hold on. First thing first, I got to close my garage, put my headphone in so I can hear my GPS. But if you don't have like wireless headphones, y'all get y'all some wireless headphones, because it does come in handy. I got these little Walmart headphones for like 40 bucks. These things last a long time, and plus they fit in my ear like this. They comfortable and all that. So there's been a discussion in the detailing community I saw about same-day appointments. I've been seeing different people talking about it. Why they do same-day appointments or why they don't do same-day appointments, and giving their different views on it. I saw it on the Detail Groove. I saw it on his Instagram talking about it and stuff like that. And then plus I saw one of his videos where he says this is why I guess you should do same-day appointments. But I want to be able to show y'all something from a different perspective of, for me, why I don't do same-day appointments. I'm not knocking it, but I'll tell y'all why I don't do them. But first thing first, we gotta go do this detail. Now, the detail we're about to do, y'all probably seen this car in another video, because this is a maintenance client. So I take care of his car each month. I had to do his car once a month, inside and out. I just call, hey, do you want to schedule for this day? He tells me, yes, I know. And then put him on the schedule, and I come and do his car. He's been booked since last week. I had already booked him and everything. The way that I operate, I only do appointments. I never do same day. I ain't gonna say never, because I have done same day, and the only way for me to do same day is for it to be a repeat customer, and I can't have nothing else going on. And it got to be a repeat customer that I know their vehicles are not bad. Like, I know that like this car I'm about to go do is a perfect example of if he called and said, hey, can you get to my car today? Can you think you could do my car again today? If I'm available and I have nothing else planned, then I probably would go ahead and do it, because one, he's a repeat customer, and two, normally he's scheduled or something. Maybe he got something going on where he's going somewhere, going to a show or something. And three, I know for sure that car is gonna take me an hour and a half to 2 hours. So let's go check out that car, and this will give you an idea of the type of cars that if I do same day, these are the only ones that I would do same day. Hi y'all, so this is a Dodge Charger Hellcat. It's gonna be pretty windy, so I'll probably just do a little voiceover. it's crazy because I'm making this video about not doing same day appointments, and it just so happened today I got 3 people who wanted me to come today to do some cars, and I had to deny all 3 of them. One was a $210 job. Another one probably was gonna be over $100 because it was inside and out. But remember, this is just my opinion on why I don't do same day details. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying this is why I don't do it. The reason why it's a little different for me because I have a family. So not only is most of my days already planned out, because say I'm going to do a tomorrow, like tomorrow, I have a wash and wax. That's all I have for the day. So after the wash and wax, I'm done for the day. I'm going to spend time with my daughter. On the weekdays, if I have just one in the morning, I do that one, and then later that afternoon, I go and pick my daughter up from daycare. Now, I know if I take a same day appointment, I will not have the time to go and pick her up from daycare. So the days are already planned out. So maybe my fiance, maybe she's doing something, and I say, hey, I'll go pick her up from daycare or whatever, or something like that. And that's just why I don't. That's just one reason why I don't do same day appointments. Another reason why I don't do same day appointments. This is just my opinion. I feel like same day appointments won't create long-term customers. And you're probably saying, what do you mean by that? So for me, I feel this is just how I feel. I feel like if a customer wants you to do same day, right? That's what they're gonna expect all the time. They're gonna call you last minute and say, hey, can you come today? Because yeah, that's what you normally do. The minute that you will not be able to come that day, or basically, like I said, come that day or come at that hour that they want you to come, they're just gonna move on and go to the next detailer. That's what's gonna happen. For me, I feel like when you make them schedule with you, they appreciate your time a little bit more, and it creates like a long-term customer because they know they like your work and they don't mind waiting on your work. And I hope that all makes sense, what I'm saying. So and the best example I could give you is the lady. So obviously I got dreads here also. I get my hair re-dreaded, and then I go get a haircut to fade the sides. So both ladies that I go to are appointments only. They don't do same day. So basically what I'm trying to say is because they do good work, and I know that when I make an appointment that I'm for sure they're gonna do with, when I'm going to get my head re-dreaded, fading the sides and all that stuff, I know for sure on that day they're gonna do what I'm paying for. So versus me calling them at last minute and say, hey, I need somebody to dread my hair today, and then they can't do it, and I just go move on to the next person. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. So basically, for me, I don't want a customer to get used to doing just the same day. I just feel like them setting an appointment, they appreciate your time and I appreciate their time as well. I just feel like same day appointment, and I have done same day appointments, maybe once or twice with people I don't know, and those people never really come back, and it's because they want it right then and there. You can't give what they want. They're just gonna move on to the next person, even if you're doing a good job or not. So for me, I also like to be prepared. Sometimes I'm not able to restock the van or whatever the night before. I'm not able to restock it or whatever with the chemicals and all that stuff. So sometimes I may be a little unprepared when I go to some of these jobs or whatever. And or say I know I get back home the next day, I know I just got a wash, or I got a wash and wax. I did a wash that day. So if I did a wash that day, I know, okay, I still have 30 gallons of water in my blue tank I don't have to refill the water tank for tomorrow. I don't have to do anything, restock on anything for tomorrow because I'm just doing a wash or a wash and wax or whatever, you know. So I may go there with 20 gallons of water or just enough to do the wash and wax or whatever, you know. And so later today, somebody hits me up and say, hey, can you come? I can't because I'm not prepared. I didn't prepare for that for the day. And I know that's my fault, but at the same time, like I said, sometimes when I come home, I'm not able to restock the van. I'm not able to do some of that sometimes. Sometimes it goes from motor detailer to motor dad. So I get home, my fiance get back with my daughter, so I may be sitting down editing videos while she's sitting in here with me. She's sitting chilling with me. I'm editing videos. I'm doing what I gotta do, trying to make some TikTok videos, and then I probably go and I give my daughter a bath, and then I go lay down with her and put her to sleep sometimes. So sometimes I fall asleep with her. So I fall asleep before her. By the time I wake up, it's too late. So it's stuff like that happens. I'm a parent, so it's gonna be a little different when it comes to certain things. That's why I rather have a schedule, and I rather do people who make appointments. That way I can control my schedule. Maybe whenever I have a shop, I'll do same day. If people pop up at the shop and you know we got the time to take on that type of work, I'll probably do that. But as for mobile, I just feel like the best thing for me to do, I don't know about you, but the best thing for me to do is to continue to do just appointments only and not same day. You gotta, for me, I feel like you got to give people some type of structure. If you don't give them a structure to follow or whatever, it's just, they're just gonna be calling whatever. So most of my customers know after 7 p.m. that they probably won't be able to get that I won't answer. And they know, okay, if I want to schedule, let me get on the schedule 2 or 3 days ahead of time. That way I can make sure I get the date that I want to get or whatever. And most of my customers do not mind. I want to say 95% of them do not mind waiting 2 or 3 days for to get their car detailed. They don't care if I've done a really, really great job and they're happy with that. As long as they can continue to schedule on whatever day. They're happy with that. So don't do same day appointments is to also with the payment that I do. So I do deposits and stuff like that. And if y'all want to, I'll get into more detail in another video on why I do deposits and how I do my deposits and all that good stuff. I do that because deposits have to be paid before I even come there, and that's just pretty much why I do same day. It's also, the deposits are also there to just ensure that nobody tries to run away with a free detail and stuff like that. That way people know that, hey, I've seen the vehicle, I gave them a price on it and everything. They already knew what the price was, they paid a deposit. That's basically like an agreement on the price. They can't say I just surprised them with a, hey, hello, it's gonna be $500. You can't say nothing like that because they see everything on the receipt before I even get there. So that's just another one, you know, just doing same day doesn't work with my process at the moment. Like I said, maybe later on I'll change it up, but for right now, it works for me. But thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a good day. Let me know what y'all think. So do you do same day appointments? If you do same day appointments, how did that work? What's your thoughts on that? And we can have a discussion. This is not an argument. Everybody's going to be different. Everybody's going to do things differently, and everybody's business is going to be it's going to be a little different than everybody else's stuff. So thank you for watching. Like I said, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see y'all on the next one.